Have you ever wondered why solar eclipses occur and why they seem shrouded in mystery? Solar eclipses in their simplest form are a cosmic ballet of the sun, moon, and earth aligning perfectly. The moon, although much smaller than the sun, appears to completely block out the sun's light, casting a shadow on a specific part of the earth. This celestial spectacle occurs rarely, making it a sight to behold and a phenomenon that generates great anticipation. This excitement is palpable as we approach the total solar eclipse of 2024, a year that's set to be significant for the sun, with events such as strong solar storms and NASA's Parker Solar Probe making a historic close approach. The upcoming solar eclipse itself is expected to draw millions of viewers, with cities from Texas to Maine and even Canada's Niagara region preparing for an influx of eclipse enthusiasts. Yet, despite this scientific understanding, there's an undeniable sense of unease that often accompanies these events, a sense of the unknown, the inexplicable, the eerie. So, while eclipses are a natural astronomical phenomenon, why do they often come with a sense of unease and strange occurrences? The year 2024 holds a significant event for sun watchers, a total solar eclipse. This celestial spectacle is set to light up the sky, or rather darken it, in a show that promises to be nothing short of breathtaking. Picture the sun, our life-giving star, obscured by the moon, casting a shadow that will sweep across the earth. This is not just any eclipse, it's the Great American Eclipse, visible from Texas to Maine with over 24 U.S. cities right in the path of totality. Now imagine being in one of the 10 largest cities on this path, say Austin, Texas, or Rochester, New York. The city buzzes with anticipation as millions of eyes turn skyward, shielded by ISO-certified eclipse glasses. The world seems to hold its breath as the moon slides over the sun, casting an eerie twilight over the landscape. The temperature drops, the stars come out in the middle of the day, and for a few precious minutes we are reminded of our place in the cosmos. Each city along the path of totality is planning unique events and activities to celebrate the eclipse. From educational programs to viewing parties, the day promises to be filled with wonder and excitement. The duration of this cosmic spectacle, anywhere from 1 minute and 24 seconds to a whopping 4 minutes and 12 seconds. That's 4 minutes and 12 seconds of total awe-inspiring darkness in the middle of the day. But it's not just the United States that's getting a front row seat to this cosmic show. Our neighbors to the north, Canada, are also preparing for the influx of eclipse chasers. Niagara Falls, a prime viewing location, will be right on the eclipse's path of totality. With an estimated 1 million tourists expected to visit, they've even declared a state of emergency to ensure the safety of residents and visitors alike. As the day approaches, the excitement builds, but so do the whispers of strange phenomena associated with eclipses. Stay tuned as we delve into the darker side of this solar spectacle, because as with all things celestial, there's always more than meets the eye. With the awe-inspiring sight of a solar eclipse often come tales of oddities and eerie incidents. As the day turns into an unexpected twilight, the world seems to stand still and strange things can happen. Historically, solar eclipses have been associated with uncanny occurrences. For instance, records from ancient civilizations describe animals behaving unusually during these celestial events. Birds, normally chirping in the daylight, abruptly fall silent while nocturnal creatures stir, confused by the sudden darkness. Then there are accounts of technological disruptions. During the total solar eclipse of 1999, satellites experienced unexpected malfunctions and scientists detected unusual solar radio bursts. Could the sun's obscured state have triggered these anomalies? Or were they mere chance events coinciding with the eclipse? The human experience, too, is not immune to the peculiar phenomena associated with solar eclipses. There are narratives of heightened emotions, vivid dreams, and even instances of synchronicity, seemingly unrelated events coming together in a meaningful pattern. Some people report experiencing a profound sense of connection with the universe during an eclipse. Others recount feelings of unease or disorientation, as though the temporary blotting out of the sun disrupts our ingrained sense of reality. These events, while intriguing, are often dismissed as mere coincidences or superstitions, but can they all be brushed off that easily? As the 2024 eclipse fast approaches, the rumors and predictions of uncanny events are already in the air. This year, the sun has some significant events lined up, including a total solar eclipse and a surge in solar activity that could result in more frequent and potent solar storms. These solar storms have the potential to impact Earth's technology and space missions, causing a ripple effect that could be felt around the globe. Scientists are working tirelessly to better understand space weather in an effort to mitigate these potential impacts and ensure the safety of future space exploration endeavors. The total solar eclipse, expected in April, is drawing attention from millions of eager viewers. The path of totality, cutting across the United States from Texas to Maine, offers a rare spectacle for over 24 cities. Each city along this path is planning unique events and activities to celebrate the eclipse, turning what is essentially a cosmic phenomenon into a nationwide celebration. However, it's not just the anticipation of the cosmic spectacle that is causing a stir. The expected influx of eclipse watchers has led to Canada's Niagara region declaring a state of emergency. With an estimated 1 million tourists predicted to visit for the total solar eclipse, preparations are being put in place to ensure the safety of both residents and visitors. Additional cell sites and modified services are being set up to handle the increased activity around this time. Amid the excitement and preparation, there are whispers of strange occurrences tied to the solar eclipse. From eerie phenomena to unexplained events, the solar eclipse has a history of stirring the pot of paranormal activity. This, coupled with the heightened solar activity, is leading to a swirl of predictions and rumors about what might transpire. While we wait for the cosmic show, one can't help but wonder what strange events might unfold this time around. As we look forward to the 2024 eclipse, we find ourselves at the intersection of science and the unknown. Solar eclipses have been a source of fascination and intrigue since time immemorial, a celestial dance that dazzles the senses while stirring the imagination. Science has done a remarkable job in decoding the mechanics of this cosmic spectacle. We know that a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, temporarily obscuring the Sun's light and casting a shadow on Earth. The upcoming solar eclipse in 2024 is expected to be a significant event, with millions of viewers anticipated from Texas to Maine and even up to Canada's Niagara region. It's not merely a visual treat, but an opportunity for scientists to gather valuable data, especially with the increased solar activity predicted for this year. But even as we marvel at the precision of these scientific explanations, we can't help but be intrigued by the unexplained phenomena that often accompany these eclipses. Reports of strange occurrences, peculiar animal behavior, and eerie shifts in the environment add a layer of mystery to the spectacle. We stand at a unique juncture where we can appreciate the solar eclipse from two perspectives. On one hand, we have the scientific understanding of the event, a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of knowledge. On the other, we have the unexplained, the uncanny experiences that remind us of the vastness of the universe and our limited understanding of it. As we prepare to witness the 2024 solar eclipse, let's approach it with an open mind. Let's be observant not just of the celestial event itself, but of the environment around us. Let's embrace the mystery and the science, the known and the unknown, the seen and the unseen. As the moon obscures the sun, casting a shadow over the earth, will we witness just a natural astronomical event, or will there be more to the story? With the clock ticking down to the 2024 solar eclipse, anticipation and curiosity are running high. We've journeyed through the fascinating science behind solar eclipses, diving deep into the cosmic ballet of the sun, moon, and earth. We've shone a light on the dark side of solar eclipses, exploring the eerie occurrences and chilling tales that often accompany these celestial events. We've also looked ahead to the upcoming 2024 eclipse, a spectacle that promises to be particularly captivating due to a surge in solar activity. From Texas to Maine, millions of eyes will be turned skywards as day turns into night and the sun's fiery corona becomes visible to the naked eye. In cities like Dallas, Austin, and Cleveland, unique events and activities are planned to celebrate this rare cosmic show. But remember, safety first. Always use ISO-certified eclipse glasses to protect your vision. As we step into the shadow of the moon this April, let's remain vigilant observers. After all, the mystery of solar eclipses is yet to be fully unraveled.